Hi, welcome to this week. What went through the shop at the corporate office for the FlexArmor sprayed RV roof systems. This is a EPDM rubber roof that is gummy. Back in about 2016-ish, rubber roofs started coming in that were real gummy, leaving footprints, as you can see in this. They're brown like this because it's all the dirt sticks to it, and when you walk on them, it's just that top layer is extremely gummy. EPDM didn't really put a lot out there, but they had a recall on these, but they only backed it up for the first owner. So this particular coachman this is the second owner, so he bought it this way, and he was getting worried about it. When we have those gummy EPDM roofs come in, they are totally stripped down. Everything's removed to get rid of all that bad material, and as you can see here, they started spraying it. This is now we're going to see the final RV roof. As you can see, FlexArmor itself is actually gray. This is what's doing all the hard work. Then we put a UV white top coat on it right there. Keeps it cooler, keeps it from ever aging. When you combined the FlexArmor, which is good for anywhere probably 40 to 50 years of direct UV before it would have any deterioration, when you combine it with this UV top coat, which depending on your conditions, if you're bleaching it every week or you're never touching it, it's going to last another 20 to 30 years. So we designed the system to outlast your camper. So that's why, unlike this gentleman that had to pay for his roof when the first one failed, our warranty follows every camper, and it doesn't just restrict it to the first owner. Really, the only caveat is if you put a hole in it, you need to get that resprayed to make it seamless again, and maintain typical maintenance things such as your AC gaskets. As you can see, it's totally seamless, no more caulking, and here was out in the parking lot getting ready to go. So if you want to learn more about FlexArmor roofs, check out our website at rvroof.com. We have applicators nationwide, and we're always adding more, and you can find them there and get an estimate. Have a great day.